Hi guys, what's up? All right, it's another day with fellow F. All right, so if you're new here, don't forget to follow, subscribe, whatever. All right, and also tell me what you think about this video in the comment section. It's very important. Okay, so I still stand on the fact that price action is key. All right, understanding market structure is simple. This is the 15 minutes time frame. I saw this set up on the 4 hours, all right? But I came down to the 15 minutes to see how price is reacting so as to get this entry. I shared this on my free Telegram community, all right? So if you're not a part of the free Telegram, the links are in my bio. And if you're watching on YouTube, the links are in the description of this video, okay? So don't forget to follow the links into the Telegram community. This week, I'm not going to share signals in my free community. I'm going to give, like today, I started teaching a lot of free information so that I must not be the one to give you signals. You yourself can spot out good setups, good signals, and still make money. All right? So the reason why you always see me with my singlet is because I work from home and I feel very comfortable being like this. So I believe the knowledge is shared and the message is passed. Forget about my looks. I just love being the way I am. I'm real with you guys and being natural and myself. I don't want to be someone else. So let's ride. So now, since I share this setup, I want us to actually see it on TradingView how it looks. Okay, so this is the setup on TradingView. This is where we are right now. What's up, guys? Is this not crazy? This is simple, all right? This is simple. I expected price to do what it did, and we got the setup, and this is it. GBP USD, crazy, all right? This is pure price action. Price is doing lower lows and lower highs, and we spotted it in time. We saw that price is giving us a pullback, and now we are getting a confirmation. What did we do? We got in as soon as we saw it, all right? Now we are making crazy profits. So if you have something different, if you have a fancy strategy, maybe with some beautiful names, I'm not saying that your strategy doesn't work. I'm saying that trading should be very simple, not complicated. You shouldn't struggle to create names that doesn't already exist. Don't try to get strategies that will stretch you for nothing. If you understand price action, market structure, when price is delivering to the upside, you see higher highs and higher lows. Simple. When price gives you a pullback into, let's say you are in an uptrend, price gives you a pullback into your higher high or into your let me just give you a clear example. All right, let's talk with examples. So in an uptrend, this is what you're expecting: higher highs, higher low, higher high. What do? You wait for price to pull back, all right? So somewhere between this zone and this zone. This is how simple I make my trading, okay? That's why at times you see me just draw a line on the chart and we make some crazy profits, okay? Now, what do? You wait for price to pull back, okay? Once you get a pullback, you ride. As easy as that. That's how trading should be. Very, very easy and straight to the point. So that's how I get it. All right. Once I get an engulfing candlestick within this zone. Okay. So let's assume. Oh my God. All right. Let's assume we saw stuffs like this coming down. Okay. Something like this. And now, automatically, the next candle that comes out gives you this. All right, let's make it green. How did I even get to that point? Green. Perfect. And you see a powerful bullish engulfing. You get in and you ride the trend. Simple. All right, you don't need any fancy stuffs. This is how simple it should be. Go back on your charts, do your analysis, do your back testing, and see if what I'm telling you actually works. And if it works, come back to this video and tell me thank you. All right, guys, thanks very much. And if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, show some love by subscribing. If you're watching me on TikTok, so don't forget to enjoy this. All right, see you on the next video. Ciao.